Come with us to Ghana. Come with us to Africa. The Ragashanti Ghana Learncation.
I'm going to show you a view of a section of Cape Coast, or on the coast of Ghana, from the Cape Coast Castle. Why, so some things that I'm familiar with from Jamaica, right through. Each one has to depend on the other.
If you're Jamaican or affiliated with Jamaica, you must experience Ghana.
So I want wine of this now. Yeah, that look a bit different from how we do it.
If you're affiliated with the Caribbean, or you're a descendant of Africans, you must experience Ghana. And the best way to experience Ghana is through our Ghana Learncation.
What's this area called?
Transported it out of the land to the Netherlands for 3 centuries.
First president of Ghana.
Experience in real time the dungeons of the castles in which they held our ancestors before shipping them off into the unprecedented cruelty of their slavery. Experience how our ancestors continually resisted oppression for hundreds of years and preserved their culture and heritage to this day in Africa. Experience the Aquasidae, for example, in Kumasi. And feel the Ashanti Kingdom in full celebration of their African culture. Feel the amazing everyday cultural similarities and connections between us and the people of Ghana that directionally doesn't really explain how they are like us, but rather how we are so much like them because our roots lie in Africa. The Ghana Learncation has 2 tiers for your convenience. The standard tier that is comfortable and most reasonable. And the premium tier that offers unparalleled luxury in the executive suites of Ghana's top 5-star hotel. Learn more about the Ghana Learncation at tamfamtravelagency.com or text 718-308-9993. It's first come, first serve, with the submission of your deposit to lock your spot on the Ghana Learncation. Secure your spot with your deposit now. The Ragashanti Ghana Learncation. Come with us to Ghana. Come with us to Africa.